I love how nature is fucking like fused in with like the scenery. It's fused with, society down here. Gives me some plans. I don't know how long I'll have to retain to make those plans true, but I will get those plans fucking, completed. I dropped everyone, bro. Everybody. Having a woman is unnecessary. I got a mission, guys. I know what I need to do. I'm just so mad that I haven't done it yet and I'm getting old. I won't make that mistake this next upcoming year. I promise you guys. I promise. I love you guys. Goodbye.